It was our team around in a conference room, and Travis Cox comes on in the video chat, and he's going to give us a demo of ignition. And first of all, I'll just say it. I think all of us have probably been there one time, but had zero confidence that ignition could ever perform what we needed in a large industrial space. But
2013.
He did something. 2013. No. Well, this was my opinion of inductive automation. See that, Kevin? And ignition before I knew anything about them. Their price point, I was convinced because of their price, they would never be able to function within our industry.
Yep.
The moment I asked Travis, I said, can you show me how you take a tag from a PLC and send it to a database, and then show me how I can get data from a database back to a PLC? And he did it within 3 minutes. And at that moment, that was it. I was all in. I was like, I will do whatever it takes to get this product ready for our industry, because it is going to transform the way we handle data. And that was my journey into, one, working with inductive automation, two, really into that digital transformation of, hey, can we think about our industrial control systems in a manner that will transform the data and actually be able to start to leverage it as value for our companies. But I mean, we took our team to Folsom. We drove down there 3-4 times a year for 3 or 4 days at a time. And the interaction, the collaboration, working with Carl and Colby and Travis during those times, yeah, it was something that I'll never forget within my career, is looking back and saying, man, I was a part of something that really made an impact, not just to our industry, but to air energy. I mean, it led to us completely, taking out all the old system and putting ignition across the entire company. Millions of tags, 160 gateways. It was a big 7-year project. And that relationship with inductive automation, and that relationship with really being able to move into a operational technology architect, where I was overseeing the portfolio and the roadmap and all that stuff, has led me to be able to get to where I am today, which is co-owner and director and founder with Jeff.
Did you just say that our relationship is the pinnacle of your career? Is that what, Kevin, is that what you heard?
I actually was referring to Kevin, Jeff, sorry.
Okay. I'm excited.
I'll take it. I'll take it.